Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. The process is straightforward and effortless. On your YouTube homepage, you can see your profile icon at the top right. Tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on this option, YouTube Studio, after tapping on it. You will be redirected to your channel. From here, you can see the option Content on the left side of your computer screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can see videos, shorts, live posts, and on the 5th number playlist. Tap on the option Playlist. Currently, I have only created a single playlist for my channel, and we will create a new one. Tap on the option Create, which is just next to your profile icon. And on the 2nd and last number, you can see the option for a new playlist. Tap on it, and here, write the title for your playlist, like I am writing. After writing the title, if you want to add a description for your playlist, you can write it by tapping in this description bar. After writing the description, you can also manage the visibility of this playlist by tapping in it. You can make it public, and if I tap on it, you can make it private and unlisted. So the choice is yours, but I will select it as public after selecting it. The last thing to do is tap on the Create option after tapping on the Create option. You can see my Facebook playlist created successfully. So it was the primary way by which you could create a playlist on YouTube. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.